If you want to earn without investment, OMD is best application, one of the best application. First you have to create account. For that, just open the website. You can type address manually, or just you can click on the link which is in description. You will see interface like this. Just select your country, then enter your mobile number, your password, and click on register. Just remember your password and download the application from here. Okay, I hope that you remembered your password. Now just open the application, select the country, enter your mobile number, and enter your password too. Just log in. So you have to go on task section. If you doesn't invest anything, daily you will get one order worth $0.50, and you can withdraw it when your account balance reaches to $60. This application is working now. It is just a short video. If you want to know more, you can join my WhatsApp group, or you can check out my another video on this application. So see you later.